Today, PiNetwork has experienced a significant surge in their price on the leading trading platform, Binance. In the latest update, here are the details of PiNetwork's price movement. Current price, $1.94. Highest price, $1.95.29. Lowest price, $1.94.91. Opening price, Tet Am No PiNetwork. Price movement. In the latest trading session, PiNetwork has shown notable volatility, reaching a high of $1.959.29 and a low of $1.942.91. Currently, the price is stable around $1.944, reflecting dynamic changes in market interest for this crypto asset. Price movement analysis. This significant price spike is primarily driven by strong buying activity from investors. The peak price of $1.959.29 indicates robust interest and optimism regarding PiNetwork's prospects in the cryptocurrency market. Conversely, the low of $1.42.91 suggests balanced selling pressure, reflecting healthy trading dynamics on Binance. Factors influencing the price movement. Several factors influencing PiNetwork's price movement include global market sentiment towards cryptocurrencies, recent news about the PiNetwork project, and high trading volumes on the Binance platform. These factors collectively play a crucial role in shaping price trends and investor interest in PiNetwork's short-term and long-term implications. Short-term. In the short term, price spikes like those seen in PiNetwork often lead to additional volatility. Investors may view this as an opportunity to capitalize on short-term price fluctuations. Moreover, high trading activity can create further price momentum, depending on market reactions to recent news and trends. Long-term sustained price spikes can indicate strong fundamentals behind the PiNetwork project. This could attract interest from institutional investors and larger players seeking long-term investments in the cryptocurrency market. Furthermore, price increases can strengthen PiNetwork's position in the global blockchain ecosystem, facilitating further platform development and broader adoption across various economic sectors. Cryptocurrency market analysis. The cryptocurrency market is a dynamic and fluctuating environment influenced by various factors, including global market sentiment, macroeconomic news, government regulations, and technological innovation. Price movements, such as those observed in PiNetwork, reflect market reactions to these dynamics. Market sentiment. Global market sentiment towards cryptocurrencies is currently relatively positive, with increasing interest from institutional investors and ongoing adoption of blockchain technology across various industry sectors. This surge has provided an additional boost to cryptocurrency asset prices, including PiNetwork. News and updates. Recent news about PiNetwork's technological advancements, integration with the global financial system, and future projections can significantly impact price movements. Launches of new features, integration with major trading platforms, or announcements of strategic partnerships can trigger substantial price spikes. Trading volume. High trading volume is a critical indicator to gauge market activity and investor interest in a particular crypto asset. High trading volumes often reinforce existing price trends, indicating strong market support for the project. With the current price at $1.94 and reaching a high of $1.95.29 on the Binance platform, PiNetwork demonstrates strong performance in the cryptocurrency market. This significant price surge reflects investor optimism about PiNetwork's long-term prospects and the strong fundamentals driving it. Investors and market observers are advised to remain vigilant against short-term price fluctuations while recognizing the long-term potential of this project. Monitoring the latest news and market trends will be crucial in making informed investment decisions within this evolving cryptocurrency ecosystem. Don't forget to click subscribe, like, and share.